Alright guys, so for a fresher and more nourished skin, you're going to be needing carrots, guys. Instead of using bleaching cream, why not try this? Because it's going to help you so much to lighten up your skin, to glow your skin, and to polish it. Okay, so this is one natural remedy that would be very helpful in removing all of those wrinkles and fine lines, and your skin is going to glow so well. So to prepare this, guys, I'm going to first of all cut the carrot, and you can see the carrot is actually it's going to be very sweet. Okay, okay, so now after that is done, I'm going to be transferring that into a blender. Okay, now the next one you're going to be making use of is tomato. Now tomato is one natural ingredient that is so great for the skin. It therefore leaves the skin glowing, beautiful and radiant, and it is an almighty remedy for wrinkles. It will therefore help in lightening up the skin because it contains a lightening property too. I'm going to be cutting in the tomato also. Into the blender. Then we're going to be making use of just a little bit of ginger. Okay, so this ginger I've already peeled and washed it already, so now is just to use it. That's just what is remaining here. Okay, so we're just going to be using ginger because it's going to help you if you have fat. It's going to remove all of those stubborn and stored fat, and your skin is going to tell, like it's going to glow and it's going to be lighter. Just a little piece of ginger. Then we're going to be making use of some orange. Okay guys, so here in this part of Africa, our orange are usually green, so I have here my local orange, very healthy and very sweet. So it is going to be, orange is #1 remedy for vitamin C. It nourishes the skin and it helps your skin glow, and it's also a remedy that would help you remove all wrinkles and all fine lines. Now, the orange. I'm going to be putting in a little bit of water, then I'll go blend it. Okay, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so here is a skin lightening drink or skin glowing drink, however you want your skin to be. And now what I'm going to do is to strain this. Okay, so you can actually decide to take it this way with the fiber, it's still okay, but I'm just going to strain it. strain another one. After straining that all up, this is what I got. Okay, so drink this morning and drink this in the evening. Before you know it, guys, your skin is going to be lighter, and any cream that you apply or you use is going to respond. Okay, because I know there are some people who say, oh, when I use a cream it doesn't respond on my skin. Use this, take this, drink this. Okay, it's just going to respond, and your skin is going to not only lighter but glow, and it's going to be polished and also beautiful. Alright, so that's it, and this is going to help you also in reducing belly fat.